Did you hear? The Democrats are doing the work. There's even one story that you've heard today, but the person who did it didn't get the credit. You guess which story I'm talking about? We start today with Ami Bera, who is still this week's repping the rep. He was at Sacramento Meals on Wheels. He was there to discuss with them how to make sure that the cuts to SNAP don't affect their work. Lloyd Doggett sent a letter to NOAA back in May. Concerns over the cuts to NOAA and the National Weather Service. On Tuesday, he wrote them again. Livid because if that letter had been answered, maybe what happened with the Texas floods wouldn't have happened. By connecting these two letters, he's building a paper trail. Today's Daily Blueprint is all about measles, SNAP cuts, NOAA, and the National Weather Service. Great Reader's Digest version of all of these situations. Scott Peters has today's Democratic Daily Download, and he's focusing on what the big ugly law will do to clean energy and how it will affect our wallets, but also our lives. Nikki Budzinski held a town hall in May at the East St. Louis High School, focused on the funds the administration refused to release to the district. Well, because of that town hall and the community activism following it, the funds were finally released to the district 2 days ago. And now I have another reason to love town halls. 9 days ago, Dick Durbin led a letter to Noem, Hegseth, and Bondi. It was signed by all the Dems on the Senate Judiciary Committee, and it demanded that there be an investigation into Emil Bovee, knowing the information that they received from a whistleblower. As expected, crickets. So today, Dick Durbin just publicly released everything from the whistleblower. You probably wouldn't know that it was Dick Durbin because no news outlet is giving him credit, even though everyone is talking about it. Another reason you might not know Dems are doing the work. You know about the work, but not the Dem doing it. Mark Kelly and Gabby Giffords posted about the Arizona 7 primary happening next Tuesday and making sure you know exactly when and where to vote. Whether you're supporting the same candidate as them or not, this is really valuable information. And finally, Veronica Escobar tried to go to the ICE facility on Montana Avenue in El Paso. She gave notice and she was still denied. So now she's really, really angry and making sure we are too. I hope this post served as your daily reminder that the Dems are doing the work. If you made it to the end of this video, comment with at least 7 words because that helps the algorithm. And a graduation cap, because I love knowing how much the town hall helped in that school district getting their funds. And if you watched or read any of these stories, comment with what you learned. And a person whistling? I always thought that was someone blowing a kiss. You learn something new every day. Because this whistleblower information is a really big deal. Our voices are our superpower, but only when we use them.